Hey, y'all. It's your girl, Buttercup, back in the building with another video for you. So today I have pork chops, corn, mashed potatoes, and, I kind of doctor it up with a little bit of bacon bits and cheese so I can have kind of like a little baked potato taste. So say grace and we'll get started. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for this food we are about to receive in your Son. In Jesus' name, let this food be healthy and nourishing to my body. In Jesus' name we pray, amen. So, yes, y'all, my husband grilled this pork chop. And it's so tender. I hope y'all having a good day today. I'm balling my mouth. So, yeah, that's the homemade mashed potatoes I made. So he cooked the meat and made the sides. Yeah, I have got to get my nails done. I'm broke now, and I need a fill-in. This is terrible. Woo! That water be good. It's nice and cold. I'm hungry, y'all. This story time right now. Oh, the other day, I was craving some egg rolls with some sweet and sour sauce. So I go to my little Chinese spot. You know, first I called my order in, and she forgot to ask me what type of egg roll I wanted. Veggie, beef, pork, chicken, whatever they got. I think it's shrimp or something like that. So when I get there, I paid for my food, of course. And I was like, are these veggie egg rolls? And she said, no, these are pork. And I was like, well, I didn't want pork. I wanted veggie. She was like, oh, okay, no problem. I'll make you a new batch. I was like, cool. Waited. The girls start pulling them out the deep fryer into the bag. Well, one fell on the floor. Why? And I was watching. I didn't say not one word. I was watching. Because I don't want to just be yelling like, I'm like, I know she ain't finna do that. I know she ain't finna do that. Why she put it in the bag, the one that fell on the floor. I was so PO'd. You hear me? I said, I don't want them. I said, she just dropped that on the floor. And they started saying, kind of get after her. And she was like, I'll make you some more. Don't even worry about it. After that, just need my money back. I'm cool. I see how y'all get down. I mean, and picked it up like, I mean, I'm right there. Had no, like I wasn't supposed to see it. I was sure enough paying attention to that. I was like, I hope she don't put that back in that bag. I hope she don't put that back in that bag. Sure enough. Oh, guess who won't be eating at that place no more? Because if I ain't there to watch y'all make my food, ain't no telling what y'all doing. Even that. I just don't trust y'all no more. So I had to go to a new Chinese place. I stood there and watched again, but I'm like, this is disgusting. I was so mad, y'all. I was ready for that crunch. With that sweet and sour sauce. It's squaring up. And then I was so ready for that. But that happened. So, y'all gonna vote for Kanye West? Let me know in the comments if you're gonna vote for Kanye. I can't take another unstable person running this country. I'm sorry. I don't know. I just pray. Pray, 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 pray. That things get better. For all of us, y'all. There's too much going on out here. I like mixing my corn with my potatoes. It's delish. No, you gotta do that. That's like your throat saying thank you. I needed that. I should have got me some barbecue sauce. Some sweet baby rays. I'm gonna put that out here. It's so hot out here. Hope y'all kind of cool where y'all at. It was getting a little cooler out here. But, man, oh, it's hot in here. Y'all are full. I ain't gonna keep y'all long. Well, does it have to do a plate too? I'm glad y'all came to eat with me for a little bit. Hope to see y'all tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in to my last video. I appreciate y'all very much. I really do. And I hope to see y'all on the next video. Deuces, y'all. Have a good day. And don't just dream your dreams, live them.